Hey guys, my family is out at the movies. We like to do that during Christmas Eve, and our movies are open here. They're going to go see Wonder Woman. I had to stay home. Well, not I had to. I'm enjoying a quiet house while Rosie's sleeping. But I wanted to show you this. I found this under our bed while I was looking for wrapping paper, and it is a time capsule that we made, I think 11 years ago. It doesn't even say, so I have no idea. But this used to be Elizabeth's shoebox, and this is my hand, right? And this, so I think this is, okay, size what? I think it's like size 4, she said. Oh, size 10. So I think this was when she was like 5. So maybe 10 years ago. And it says, do not open until 2021. Do you love this? I just took a Sharpie and just wrote on it. And do you love the secureness of this? Okay, we haven't opened it. I don't think my kids have opened it. And this like peeling. So anyways, January 1st, we're going to open it and it'll be awesome. We also made a COVID time capsule too, and that's under the bed. So we're doing 5 years this time. My kid said we're going to be ancient if we open it in 10 years, so 5 years. But I think there's just pictures in here. And like notes, like where we want to be the next 10 years. So we'll check it out and see. Time capsule, do not open till 2021. Hope you guys are having a great day after Christmas and playing with your toys, having fun. How do I end this? I have no idea. Okay.